Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about the electric arc process. So this is the actual machine which is we are going to use for electric arc operation. Okay. So first of all we are going to see. Okay. So before starting the process we are going to see also what kind of instruments are required for electric arc operation. Okay, and before seeing the all these operation, first I am going to tell you what is meant by the electric arc operation. So electric arc process means what? Actually we are going to join two metal pieces. Okay, so how we are going to join the two metal pieces? By using electric energy. Okay, by using one MS rod. By using this MS rod we are going to join two metal pieces by electric energy. Now student, before starting the process I am going to show you the instruments those we are using for this electric arc process. So first, whatever you are observing, this is a shield, phase shield. Okay, so what purpose phase shield we are using? While performing the electric arc welding, that time some kind of metal particles that can harm your eyes. Okay, so for protection of this electric, whatever the particles of metals can come into your eyes, we are using this phase shield. Then these are the actual two pieces that we are going to join by electric arc welding. Then whatever you are observing on the screen, the rods, these are the mild steel rods. Okay, and these rods are actually performing the main role in this electric arc welding. Okay, so these are the consumable metal mild steel rods. Okay, so these are using for joining two metal pieces. Then students, next one is a ruler. So why we are using ruler? When you want to cut two pieces of the metal by some kind of length, so keeping some kind of actual length, we are using these rulers. Also the distance between two pieces, we want to maintain some standard distance. So maintaining for the standard distance while joining these two metal pieces, we are using this ruler. Then next one is a hand gloves. So these hand gloves we are using because while we are performing this operation, heat can be generated in this electric arc welding. Okay, so that can harm your hand. Okay, so keeping heat away from your skin, we are using these gloves. Okay students, now we are going to perform the actual operation on this arc welding machine. Okay, so our instructors sir in workshop, they are making arrangement for performing the actual electric arc welding process. By electric arc holder we are performing this operation. Okay, so first of all they have made two spots. Okay, first of all they have joined by two spots. Then whatever remaining distance in between these spots, they are going to fill. Okay, so now operations are going on electric arc welding. In one hand they are having electric MS rod. By using this MS rod they are performing actual operation of electric arc welding. And in one hand they have kept the shield for protecting for your eyes. Now by using tongue they are keeping away. So actual this operation, now you will observe this operation of welding completed and two metal pieces completely joined. Now they are going to perform cleaning. Okay, so last important thing is we require to clean the weld. Okay, by using brush, they are cleaning all your the final job. Okay, so this is now your final job. Okay students, so like this we have completed our arc welding operation. Okay, so now students, in your experiment you require to draw the diagram and also required to write down some assignment question.